Okay, I'm going to run through the parts list. We got the GEPRC 7-inch elegant frame, Squished X, Caddx Turtle V1, GPS, Matek systems, has compass, Matek flight controller, F722SE F7 barometer, TrueRC Singular VTX antenna, tattooed 1300 milliamp 6S batteries. When you get 2000 3S's and run them in series, or 2006S. Tight stack. It's really a tight stack there. Matek and the Turtle stuffed in there. But it fits pretty well. And the Spedix BL32 ESCs 35 amp. The R9M receiver, FrSky. DYS GUK motors, WEES 2207 1750 kV. GPS UNIFY Pro 32 5-volt 800 milliwatt VTX. Pyro drone Kevlar strap. Yeah, it was quite the build, let me tell you. Took 3 or 4 stabs to get that stack in there just right. With the spacing of the Turtle having the plate on it. Turned it both ways and finally found the best way. And there's only 3 screws to mount the V1. If you remember, the board's weird. Turned out pretty well. I like it. It seems to hover and fly pretty good. I haven't really flown it, but I'm going to try to this weekend maybe go for a little trip. See if GPS rescue works. Go from there. Try to get a bigger battery, maybe a 2200 milliamp 6S, and go long range. You know what I'm saying? FlowFlyer, take it long range. Go way out and come on back. That's right. Go against the wind going and then come with it coming back. Hope I don't have to use rescue. No doubt about it. I just thought I'd run down the parts. I just used less expensive things where I could. Didn't skimp where I didn't think I should. Okay. As I always say, against better judgment. I'm tired of the rain. It's coming down a little bit, but I'm going to fire the quad up and let it acquire satellites. That's why I got the door open. You won't do it in here. Let's be outside, so I'm firing it up. And I'm going to go through that and maybe hover it. I think it's done finally. I think it is done. Yeah, 7-incher. An old Turtle that I had, the V1. So we should be able to record video. I have Turtle mode, big old bird. Okay, I'm gonna fire it up again and get satellites. Oh yeah, 12 satellites, bam, try it out.
Satellite transmission.
Good. See the fire. We're going after it now.